Alright then, I'm going to 5 rides on Troy. Ready? Yeah, apparently just wondering when I did this. It wasn't really that good, somehow. That's why I do this one again. For some weird reason. Yeah, I'll probably do this one again, actually. Because there's nothing when I did this, it was a storage. I'm not sure why. So yeah. It's very mellow over there. I might do the POV on Bear. I'm not sure. Well, I might do actually. I'm not too sure actually. But I'll definitely do on the POV on this ride, actually, in shorts. I definitely promise that, by the way. It's very fun here because of gym buggies, for some weird reason. And of course there's a light on the top. It does flash quite well. I'm not gonna lie. If I'm not gonna hear the Northern Grace Rock over there, I wish that much it would just be quiet. To be actually honest. Ready? Second ride. Yeah, I don't know what's going off. I don't know. I think it was. You say you can't hear it because it's getting busy, to be honest. And also, you may have noticed it's actually has the same shape route as Scoop, somehow. I'm not sure why. You may have noticed. I don't know why actually. Your one sounds a little bit good on this. Just basically can't hear that well, but it is good. Sadly enough. Yeah, my camera froze a bit. Yeah, that's not the same light as Scoop, sadly. Scoop's light is different. But it does say his name Troy. But I think I can hear someone that I used to know in the background. I'm not sure. I believe. Yeah, same that with Barney Tractor as well. Somehow. I wonder if people ever stop screaming over there. Just saying. Seriously, it's annoying me, to be honest. If you know what I mean. So much goes over there. You might not see that well. Because it might not focus, somehow. Yeah, it's a song somebody I used to know. I just knew it. Alright? Yes. Ready? There's somebody I know over there. That's why I talk to him, to be honest. The reason why it's a V2 because I think this has a black seat. That's probably why. That's probably why. Maybe one has it as different colour seat and a different colour light with that. You know what I mean? What about no, Bobby Builder? I do like how Bear and Bear Man look flash together. I have to be honest. Yeah, for some reason the digger's not turned on. I'm not sure why. But never mind. So that's right. It's on a bit low volume. It sounds alright, actually. You can just about hear it. It's on a bit low volume somehow. I'm not sure why, to be honest. For some reason, this has passed over this on there. You may want to say on it. I don't know why. This obviously is going off, by the way. You know, it's 5 rides on shore the tractor.